Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today, well, I'm going to be talking about, dude, my dog is stalking me. Do you see him? Like, he's not normal. I'm going to be talking about some of my favorite skincare products I've gotten in PR, but I'm also going to be letting you know who's having Black Friday sales, including me. I'm going to tell you a little bit about my Black Friday sale, and yeah, we're just gonna have a good time. We're gonna zoom through this because I gotta go to Thanksgiving. I am filming this on Thanksgiving. I'm a last minute type of hoe. So I'll tell you a little bit about what we're doing for Bauer Beauty, what we're doing on my website. We are doing different sales all weekend. So we'll have like 24 hours of one sale on Friday, 24 hours of one sale on Saturday, 24 hours of a sale on Sunday, and then 24 hours of a sale on Monday. And make sure you're registered to get the emails. You either sign up, like at the bottom there's like a sign up where you can sign up, or one of those pop-ups that pop up, you can do that as well. Better to do one of the pop-ups if you can. But anyways, early access will begin tonight. You'll get an email if you're on the subscriber list, which fuck, you're gonna miss that. Anyways, forget about that. But once you're signed up for the emails, then you'll be getting notifications every day of like what's the new sale of the day, or if we run out of stock of something, or if you have to go into pre-order of something or whatever. So make sure you're signed up on the website, or just keep checking the website if you want. Make sure to follow my Instagram and everything so you're up to date on everything like that. But a lot of fun sales in store. And yeah, it was really fun to like come up with these types of promotions. Like, this is obviously my first year running my business, and well, this could have gone a little bit smoother, but you know what, growing pains. And if you watched my meltdown yesterday on Instagram, I love you for letting me vent, because yeah, it's been a long week. Okay, let me just jump into the brands now. I'll tell you what my fave products are, what products I've been liking, loving, and then the corresponding promotions. Let's start with Indeed Labs. This is their vitamin C serum. I am just so shook by this whole company. I love their packaging. I love their innovation. These are the other products that I've received from them. Their vitamin C is amazing. This cream cleanser is amazing. This moisture jelly is amazing. This brand I'm just like so obsessed with, because all of their products are 100% fragrance free. All of their formulas are pretty limited ingredient. They're really straight to the point. They don't fuck around. Really amazing. Female owned, based in Canada. They're doing 50% off site-wide tomorrow, Black Friday. So today when you're watching this. And I literally recommend all their shit. I also love their 10 balm. I'm just not gonna go get it. It's in my bathroom. But Indeed Labs is amazing. Okay, next, let me talk real quick about Cocokind, because I've been loving a few of their products. I didn't know what to expect from Cocokind, because I assumed it was gonna be a really fragrant brand, because it's like an all natural type of brand, but actually a lot of their products are fragrance free. I have been addicted to this matcha moisturizer, and I like layering it with this resurfacing mask. I actually put this resurfacing mask on first and then layer the moisturizer over it. It's actually quite thin. It's almost like a serum. And I also love their sunscreen. I love all their packaging. It's all sustainable. This is a mineral sunscreen, but it goes on pretty sheer. But if you do have a deeper skin tone, you will have more of like, you'll be able to see it on your skin, but it is pretty flawless, doesn't cake up throughout the day. All their products are very affordable, and I love them. And they're doing 20% off site-wide on Friday as well. And they also have like different tiers. If you spend a certain amount, you get a certain credit or whatever. Next, I'm gonna talk about Glow Recipe. I have actually been really liking some of their products. I didn't know how I was gonna feel, you know, because all their products are obviously fragrant, and fragrance and me doesn't really mesh very well. My baby dog is literally sitting right here staring at me, and he's literally so cute. Let me show you. Puppy. You are not normal. So, okay. Yes, you are very sweet. He knows we're going somewhere. Okay, the two products I like from them right now, this Watermelon Glow face spray. Here's what I always say about face sprays. If you're using face sprays throughout the day, you're actually dehydrating your skin. you want to use a face spray with lipids in it. That's the only way that I think that using a face spray is a good idea. When you have lipids in the formula, it's actually going to hold the moisture in versus, sorry, my dog's jumping around, versus if you're just putting straight water on your face, you're just increasing the rate of transepidermal water loss. That's why I was so impressed to see this, because it's so rare. The only other one I know is Tatcha, the Dewy Luminous spray. And this, you get a lot more product. Yes, it does have fragrance. Yes, it does kind of irritate me if I use it too many times throughout the day, but if I just use it once or twice, it's not a big deal. Okay, next product I actually really like of theirs is this Plump Plum. This is fragrant, but it's not too fragrant, you know? It's, the packaging's glass. It comes in a nice little pump. It's really dense with different weights of hyaluronic acid. It's super nice. And yeah, I've been enjoying those two products. And then I'm just looking at their Black Friday deals right now. They call them like Cyber Week deals, and you have to access them on their website. But starting the 24th of this week, so Tuesday, you could spend $40, you get a free mini cleanser. Spend $100, get a free mini avocado melt sleeping mask. So it's not like the greatest deals, really. Not that exciting. Pick your Pop Lip Duo. Okay, then they have like discounts on all their different like trios or duos or combos or whatever. Like their sets they have discounted. And that goes through the 19th. So you have some time. I'm sorry, it goes through the 1st. I read that wrong. It goes through the 1st. Okay, next, Cocokind. We talked about Cocokind. What else is next? Now I haven't tried a lot of the Dr. Dennis Gross products. I have tried a couple. I've tried the vitamin C, but it's right here. But I wouldn't say I like love it. You know, I need to give it some more time. It is one of their only products without fragrance, so I really like that. But this is the product I was most impressed by. This is their Hyaluronic Marine, and I think this is a new launch, but I like this because a lot of you guys always ask me like, hey, I'm super oily, like what should I do? This is the moisturizer that you should use. I know it's expensive. There are probably way less expensive ones, like the Cetaphil one, for example. But this is really great quality, great ingredients, and I've never experienced something where I put it on my face and it's like 100% just absorbed and no oil. For me, I need some oil. So this isn't like super compatible with my skin type. I just know for a lot of you guys who are super oily, some of you even tell me you don't moisturize, which is like blasphemy. Like, what? You don't moisturize because you're super oily, which I get it. I think I was like that in like high school or something too. When you don't know, you don't know. But in this case, you definitely need to be using a moisturizer, and this is something I would recommend. As far as I can see on their website, they don't have any sales, but if you go to Skin Store, I know Skin Store is having a promotion, a Black Friday promotion, so they're sold at Skin Store, so perhaps you can find them on sale there, but as of now, I don't see anything on their website. Okay, last, this is one of the only products, not the only products, but I've tried a couple of the more other products, but this is a brand called Georgette Klinger. And this is the ceramide reparative serum, and this is like, you know, I try a lot of products, whichever ones like stand out to me are the ones I keep using, and this one is, if it didn't have lavender essential oil in it, I would continue to use it more, but this is a really amazing and unique serum. It's an oil serum, and it has ceramides in it, and it also, you can feel the silicone in it, you know, so it's definitely on the oily side. If you are oily, you might not like it. I personally love it. As you can see on the hand, or maybe you can't, it's quite oily, but it's very healing. Very, very healing. If it didn't have essential oils, I would probably use it every day. I'm not gonna lie. I'd probably recommend it to everyone, but especially lavender. Lavender just really gets me going. Something about it. Keep in mind, I used to put essential oils directly on my skin and wonder why I was breaking out. So this is like PTSD for me. But other than that, like I'm really impressed by this serum, and I wish it didn't have fragrance in it. I've told you guys this before, but every time a company contacts me about PR, I say like, send me only your fragrance-free shit. Well, now, this has happened to me now several times where people are like, oh, we don't use fragrance in any of our skincare products. And I'm like, are you serious? Yes, I can't wait to try your shit. It arrives and there's essential oils in everything. people and brands do not think that they have to say that essential oils are fragrance. They think that they only have to say perfume and fragrance, parfum, you know? Is fragrance, no added fragrance. Well, those are added fragrances. Like this is, I just don't understand how people are getting away with this, how brands are getting away with this. But yeah, so I requested, you know, only their fragrance free shit, and they're like, oh, we don't have fragrance in anything, blah, blah, blah. But actually a lot of companies do this. So yeah, including like big companies. It's not just like small companies. Okay, here's like another shot of my hand. See, it has absorbed quite a bit. So it's not like it stays super oily on the skin, but let's see if they're doing any promos. I think they are. Okay, so they're doing 35% site-wide, and they've got a lot of cool different products. Did I bring their Marula cleanser out here? No. They have like a lot of like nice cream cleansers and things like that. Like they've got a coconut cleansing milk. They have I have one of their Marula cream cleansers. They do use essential oils and everything, but in cleansers, you know, it's not that big of a deal. So yeah, those are my favorite PR things right now, and a little Black Friday inspo for you. A few other things I want to tell you guys. Skin Store, like I told you, Skin Store is doing a promotion on a lot of their products. I forget if it's like site-wide or if it's like relegated to certain brands, but they do have different promos going on, and I know PCA Skin is on sale on Skin Store, and you guys know how much I love PCA Skin. So check that out, and I hope you guys have an amazing Black Friday. I hope you had an amazing Thanksgiving. I am about to go celebrate Thanksgiving. I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.